Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to do chutney with Brahmi leaves or Vallarai leaves. Centella asiatica, Brahmi or Vallarai kire is a very popular medicinal herb used widely in India. It is not only good in boosting the memory power, it is also used to treat various diseases like fever, ulcer and diarrhea. If taken regularly, it even cures constipation problems. And here we are going to do chutney with this. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 2 dry chillies. Fry the chillies well and take it out. For the chutney, we are going to fry the ingredients in sets and we are going to mix everything together. The dry chilli is ready. Next is 1 teaspoon of urad dal, that is split black gram, and 1 teaspoon of split chickpea, that is chana dal. Fry the dals until it is slightly brown and take it out. In the same oil, I am going to saute the shallots. For this I need 10 to 15 shallots and 2 or 3 garlic cloves. If you don't have shallots, use half an onion. To this let us add few curry leaves and give a nice saute. This has turned slightly brown. At this stage you can take it out. Next is a quarter cup of coconut pieces. Again, this has to turn slightly brown, so fry this nicely. This is ready, we can take it out. Next is our main ingredient, Brahmi leaves. You need around 2 cups of this and make sure you are using the leaves alone. The leaves will shrink quickly, but you need some time for it to get cooked. We have sauteed the leaves. At this stage, you can take it out. Sauteing part is over. Now take a mixie jar, add a small piece of tamarind. To this add all the sauteed ingredients. Add the required amount of salt. Add enough water according to whatever the consistency you want and grind it into a fine paste. Next is tempering. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. Once the mustard starts popping, add few curry leaves. And finally the grinded chutney. Let this be on the flame for 1 or 2 minutes and then you can switch off the flame. Here the chutney is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.